Oh, hi there. We're installing Regal Ideas wall mount brackets for the aluminum railing today. So I'm going to show you how these little wall brackets get installed. So it's a great application for when you're going solid post to solid post. You're also going to use these if you're attaching to a house. So anytime you already have a fixed post, you're going to be using these wall mount brackets. So first things first, measure your post to post, then minus off a 1/2 inch. That's going to account for the thickness of the back of the bracket to make sure that your rails fit nice and snug. Once you have them cut, you're going to mount the wall brackets right to your post. So you're going to go 3 3/4 to the top of the bottom bracket here, mount it with these nice small legs, and then you're going to go 42 1/8 to the top of your top bracket. Same thing, just mount that right to your solid post. Now only mount one side. Don't mount both sides because then you're not going to be able to get your rail in. So you can mount both sides of the bottom bracket, the bottom rail, that way that just slides right in. And for your top rail, one side in place. I'm just going to slip that in and slide over. Got it marked out on my post where I want this to land. Just hold that in place. Screw. And just like that, both our rails are in. You're going to throw in your pickets and spacers, but just like that, you've got yourself an aluminum rail.